Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a custom Facebook profile picture using Canva? Canva makes it easy to edit Facebook profile picture templates with your own photos and text in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how to do it on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open Canva on your device. Next, go to social media. Then select Facebook. Now tap Facebook profile picture. Canva will display many templates you can choose from. Browse through the templates and select the one you like. Once the template opens, the image editor will appear automatically. Now tap on the default image inside the template. Then tap Replace. Choose the photo you want to use from your gallery. Canva will automatically replace the original image with your selected photo. Next, tap on the text if you want to customize it, then tap Edit. Now type the text you want to use for your Facebook profile picture. You can also adjust the font size and position if needed. Once everything looks good, tap the Upload icon. From here, you can choose to download or share to Facebook. And that's how to create a Facebook profile picture in Canva on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.